Welcome viewers, I am Sufyan Ahmed and today I'm going to talk about the scholarship. The scholarship which is endeavored by the government of Assam to support the academic inclinations of the girl student belonging to the minority communities of the state of Assam. So the students which are reading in class 10, 11 and 12 in the state of Assam during the session 2021, whether it is government or private, doesn't matter. So you can apply for that. Students which are reading in class 10 will receive an amount of rupees 2000, and the students which are reading in class 11 and 12 will receive an amount of rupees 4000. The announced date of this advertisement was dated in 17th of November 2020, and presently you are seeing this particular advertisement on the screen right now. You can check it out. Now coming to the rules and regulations, the first point is that applying candidate must be girls. So boys cannot apply for that. Second is that applying student must study currently in the class 10, 11 and 12. The student must belong to the minority communities and her martial status must be unmarried. No matter if you have already applied for other scholarship, but then also you can apply for that. The last very important point is that there is no barriers related to your family income or the income of your parents. You might be thinking what are the documents might required. For documents, you need to have a saving bank account, have a declaration form, passport size photograph, you need to have your previous year mark sheet. So these are the documents required, very simple. And now the last date to apply for that is 17th of December 2020. To apply for that, you just need to log on to www.madhyamik.assam.government.in. Alright. Next, you can follow or you can download a Android app named Vidyarthi. Okay, I will be showing that afterwards. So after downloading that Vidyarthi app, you can get all the details related to this particular scholarship, and it is quite easy. And one more website also you can apply, and it is currently showing in the screen right now.
Now coming to the mobile screen, I'll be showing you through the app. So you just need to tap on the Play Store and then just tap on the search option and then write Vidyarthi, okay, and the above app right now which is being showing over here, you just need to tap on that, okay, and then I already have installed that, so I just tap on the open. Now all you need to do is just tap on the scheme, then you just scroll down over here and now tap on the option number 5, scholarship to the minority girl student. After tapping on that, scroll down about the scheme, advertisement, applications form, application status, selection list of the eligible candidate. All the options are given here. You want to check advertisement, just tap on the advertisement, view PDF, and just see this advertisement has already opened. You can check it out whether it is true or false. Just go here, office address, and then see the signature of the responsible person, and just again tap on the scheme, tap on the applications form, go through the link, and then scroll down here. You will get all the options like advertisement, download declarations, head of the institutions. One thing I forgot over here is that I have mentioned the declarations form. So declaration form you can download from here, else you can go through the link in the descriptions given below, get it signed from the institutions, fill up it and just upload it. After that, what you need to do is just go to the new applicant and fill up the box like first name, middle name, last name, mobile number, email ID, date of birth, gender, religion, caste, marital status, resident of Assam, state of domicile, district. Okay, everything you need to submit over here. After submitting, you will get your registration number and the date. You need to tap on the apply now login, put the registration number and date of birth, and then tap on sign in. After signing in, you need to fill up form and you need to submit the photos, mark sheet, then declarations form. Your form is ready. Get the scholarship. I hope you like the video. If you find this video informative, then kindly subscribe, share.